Okay, good day. This is a Revolution FX strategy speaking. And today we are taking on a Nasdaq trade, and this signal has already been given. And as you can see, we are having a bit of a drawdown. Okay, but let me explain to you why this trade is a very strong sell. Why we are expecting a strong bearish move from this trade. Okay, first of all, this is the trend line that we actually drew yesterday. If you can remember from yesterday's video, that I said when the market fails to breach this trend line, or if it closes above this trend line, the market will be bullish. Okay, because the market was already touched here, and here. When I made the video, this candle was actually red all the way here, and I said if it actually manages to come in and close above this trend line, the market will be bullish all the way. And that is what it did. And if it had closed below, the market would have been very bearish. Okay, so now since the market went all the way up and it came all the way down, so when it came all the way down, now it breached this trend line here with a very strong bearish move. As you can see, this was a very strong bearish move. Okay, so now since this trend line now has been breached, this structure has been broken. So why did we enter here, and why did the market retrace now to this point where it is right now? The answer is now this trend line here, as you can see, this second trend line. Okay, this second trend line was touched here and here, and then by default it has to be respected again here, because you see this bearish trend line did not close below this trend line. It closed inside. So meaning that the candle that comes after it now will have to retrace now all the way back to the previous resistance where the market failed to breach yesterday, which will be this area right here. Okay, so this is where the market failed to breach yesterday. Okay, so okay, right there. Okay, so the market failed to breach this zone yesterday. So now this trend line here and this zone where the market failed to breach yesterday, they now create a confluence. You see, this is now a confluence. So meaning that this retracement here, it is not a strong buy. For those who are scalping, yes, you can scalp and then exit right here. Where the market is right now, this is where you exit, because this market is not going to go any further from here. From here, it will have to fall all the way down, respecting the bearish move, which the market structure has already made or formed in place. Okay, there is no way this trade is going to be buying. This trade is going to be a very strong bearish move. It's going to be selling very strong. Okay, so if I wanted, I would enter even more positions here. Let's see if okay, my floating loss is there. Okay, let's put one more position and see if we can take them. Okay, it's not enough. Let's put a 10. Okay, still not enough. I don't have enough leverage there. Okay, that's fine. But as you can see, yeah, I don't have enough margin. Okay, so from here, this will be now a perfect entry zone. A perfect entry zone, as this market will not go further than this. It might spike but come and close below, or it might fail completely and just starts to drop all the way down. Okay, so that is the reason why we took this sell. Okay, so now what are we targeting? We're targeting this zone right here, you see, because this is also a confluence zone. We have got this trend line, we have got this trend line, and then we have got this horizontal line meeting at this exact spot. So meaning this will be our next target or our first take profit. So the market from here will have to first of all come and breach this zone. Okay, and then after breaching that zone, it will have again to come and breach this zone right here. Okay, so this will be target number 2. And then if this target number 2 is actually breached successfully, then the market will have to come and breach this area. Then whatever happens after the market breaches here or reaches this zone will be out of the market. Okay, but there is no way this market is going to be very bullish. It is going to stop at this zone right here. This zone has been tested and it has actually stood the test of time. So this will take it as a retest. This is a retest, and after this candle, or even from this candle, but 100% surely after this candle, the candle that follows this one will be a bearish candle that will start to fall all the way down. Okay, so as you can see, we are in a deep floating loss because I used a lot of bigger lot sizes in anticipation that the market will not give that retracement. But anyway, it gave that retracement that we are not expecting it to go beyond this zone right here. Okay, so there is no way it will blow this account. Okay, so let's wait and see how this market is going to act, how this trade is going to turn out. Okay, so very soon we'll be seeing some blues. Okay, don't be afraid, it won't blow this account because it has actually exhausted its bullish momentum there. That candle, it has exhausted its bullish momentum. It can't be more bullish than what it's already had. It will just leave a week and start falling down. Okay, so I will post another update when we are in deep blues.